Attention! This is a Level 2 domestic anomaly alert issued to the public. If you live with your mother, or have spoken to her recently, listen carefully. She looks like your mom. She sounds like her, but she may no longer be her. In the past 72 hours, multiple reports have surfaced of subtle replacements within family households. In most cases, it starts with the mother. She might forget obvious things. Your birthday, recipes she's made for years. She might start calling you by your full name, even if she never has. Or she may pause, as if searching for answers your real mother would know without thinking. This is not fatigue. This is not aging. These are signs of replacement. Check her reflection. It may lag behind her movements, or look directly at you even when she turns away. If you notice this, don't stare too long. Sometimes, it stares back. Audio recordings of her voice may contain distortions. When slowed down, they sometimes reveal unfamiliar phrases layered under her speech. If she suddenly makes a meal you dislike and insists it was always your favorite, document it. Replacements often fabricate family traditions that never existed. Check the hallway outside your room between 1:45 and 2:45 a.m. Replacements often stand completely still during that window. Do not open the door. Do not speak. If she speaks first, do not respond. You may receive a call or message from mom while she's still inside the house. This is not a glitch. It's a test to see if you've noticed. If she forgets your father's name. If she hums a melody that's never been heard in your home. If her voice is half a tone too soft. Don't argue. Don't hug. Don't trust. That is no longer your mother.